Hello finance business owners. I know exactly why you're here because most finance business owners right now are facing major operational problems. Let's talk about your business. Still struggling with EMI follow-ups? Customer details scattered in Excel, WhatsApp or notebooks? Manual KYC document collection taking too much staff time? Collection tracking feels stressful? And as customer numbers grow, your team spends more time managing operations than growing the business. That's the real problem. At Codepluse, we are helping finance businesses across India streamline operations and scale better. Imagine managing everything from one place: loan tracking, EMI repayment tracking, collection monitoring, KYC document management, agent tracking, reports and analytics. Instead of manual confusions, your business becomes more organized. Your team works faster, follow-up stress reduces, and operations become easier to manage even as you scale. Because every manual follow-up, every missed update, every delayed collection costs time and money. The goal isn't to work harder, it's to build systems that help your team work smarter. Want to see how this can transform your finance business? Book your free demo today and see how your operations can feel more organized in the next 7 days.